Want to supercharge your superbrain? Let's connect the tools you already use. It only takes a few minutes. Open your superbrain, go to the Apps tab. Here you'll see available integrations like Apple Notes, Notion, Obsidian, Roam, DevonThink, and more. To connect a tool like Apple Notes, simply click Connect. Choose the folders you want to include, then click Connect Notes. Elephas will start processing your notes and make them ready for AI-powered answers. Once indexed, you can browse your linked files inside the knowledge base. Navigate through folders to see what has been added. Now on chat. When you ask a question, Elephas will use all your connected sources to generate answers, whether it's from Apple Notes, Notion, YouTube, or other integrations. Your super brain works like a true second brain. If you want your content to stay updated automatically, enable autosync. Elephas will keep your notes in sync in the background. No manual updates needed. Start with the tool you use most. You can always add more later. Connect your knowledge, keep everything in sync.